Hello, my name is Teacher Skyla. What is your name? Hello, Sarah. My name is Sarah. Great job. Sarah, how are you? Happy. I am happy. Great job. Sarah, how old are you? I am 6 years old. Great job. Sarah, when you do a good job, you get a fish. Fish. Very good. Sarah, can you drag and drop? Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Great job. Ball. Ball. She plays with a ball. She plays with a ball. Great job. Ball. Great job, Sarah. He plays with a ball. Great job. Ooh. She plays with a ball. Great job. Sarah, look. Hello, Dino. Dino, what does she play with?
She plays with a ball.
Sarah, what does she play with? Great job. Look. What does he play with? Drag and drop. Good job. What does he play with? Yes, drag and drop. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Look, kite, kite. He plays with a kite. What does he play with? Great job. You get a star. Ding. Great job, Sarah. Look. Throw. Throw. She throws. Good. They throw. Great job. You get a fish. Orange. Great job. He throws. He throws. Good. Sarah, who throws? He throws. Who throws? Yes, he throws. Great job. Circle. He throws. Circle. Circle. He throws. Very good. You get a star. Ding. Great job. How many stars do you see? 2. Yes, I see 2 stars. I see 2 stars. Great job. Sarah, who throws? Good. Who throws? Great job. Drag and drop. Who throws? Good job. Drag and drop. Who throws? Yes. Drag and drop. Very good. I see a fish. I see a fish. I see 1, 2, 3 fish. I see 3 fish. Good job, Sarah. 3 fish and 2 stars. For you. Good job. High five. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah! Good job. Ip. Ip. Good. Zzz. Zzz. Ip. Zip. Zip, zip. Great job. Ip. Rip. Good job. S. Like Skyla. S. For Sarah. S. Sarah. Sip. Sip. Ip, hip. Great job. Circle, hip. Yeah. Circle, rip. Good job. Circle, zip. Very good. Circle, sip. Great job. You get a fish. Red. Good job, Sarah. So good. Yay. Great job. Who throws? Yes. He throws. What does she play with? Yes. She plays with a ball. Good. What color is the ball? The ball is yellow. Great job. You get a fish. You get a star. Ding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish. 3 stars. Goodbye, Sarah. Great job. See you next time. Bye-bye.